In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default file format and default save location in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work or education, customizing these settings can help streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If you already have it open, that's great. If not, go ahead and find the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. Next, you have the option to open an existing PowerPoint presentation or start fresh with a new one. If you're just here to adjust the settings without any current content, simply create a new blank presentation. Otherwise, select an existing file you'd like to work with. You can add your photos, tables, and other content later, but having a presentation open is necessary for accessing the options we need. Once you have your presentation ready, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, scroll down and select Options. This is like the control center for all your PowerPoint settings, offering a variety of adjustments you can make. Within the PowerPoint Options dialog box that pops up, take a look at the left side menu and click on Save. This area will display all of your save-related preferences and potential adjustments you can make to improve convenience and efficiency. In the Save options, you'll find the section labeled Save Presentations. There's a drop-down menu right here, next to the option that reads Save Files in this format. This is where you can set your preferred default file format. The drop-down menu offers various options, such as PowerPoint presentation, PDF, or even older formats if you're working with legacy systems. Simply click on the menu and select the format that suits your needs best. Just below this section, you can define where you'd like to save your presentations by default. This is incredibly handy if you find yourself saving files into specific folders frequently. Enter your desired path in the box labeled Default File Location, or use the Browse button to navigate through your folders and make your selection. And with that, you're all set. Remember, these changes will apply to every new file you save from now on, saving you precious time and keeping everything neatly organized. By customizing these default settings, you not only save time, but also ensure consistency across all your presentations. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and happy PowerPointing! If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.